Hi guys, today is gonna be quite exciting video. I will open it for first time, this Amiga A1200, the one I just picked it up from eBay. And like I mentioned before, it's still factory sealed. It has that warranty sticker. Also I did remove it expansion slot card, and it looks like it can be 1, 2, 4 or 8 megabyte FPU chip, and crystal is missing. I will have to do some research, and pretty much if I want to overclock it, then I have to use it processor and crystal. The RAM memory over here, pretty much I can upgrade it, but that's gonna be next part. Also I did recognize that here's somebody else's signature. You kind of barely see it, what it's going on. Anyway, after flipping a few more times, I did recognize it was loose something inside, and I found this broken part. The part looks like it's a housing, is a piece of housing. Huh. Yeah, I'm not sure if camera is gonna pick it up. I will have to find it where it come from, and it looks like it's a fresh crack, most likely been damaged from on the way shipping over here. Then I brought a floppy disk, tried see, I mean, if it's a floppy drive, at least you can put it in and inject disk injects the way it's supposed to be. And actually the button, it's pretty nice. It feels much better than on my Amiga 3000, which Amiga 3000 didn't have a lot of mileage. Anyway guys, enough talking, let's break it a seal. Like I mentioned before, I'm not really want to open it, but I have to, especially this unit. Now we know, never been open, and I'm not sure all previous owner what kind of environment they use it. Let's open it and see what we can discover it. Okay guys, unbelievable how dirty that machine is. I mean, it got all kind of crap inside. It's unbelievable how much it's a dirt there. You can see it looks like someone using that computer outside or so. It's got so much crap, unbelievable. The metal shading, it has bunch rust, which a lot of people just remove it and toss it in the garbage. Now with compressor, I will have to blow it, all that dirt, and most likely it's gonna remove it, metal shielding, and see how board inspected the board itself. Also, I will need a tweezers or so to. I'm not sure if I want to. No, I'm not gonna yank it, that cable. You have to be really careful. Now let me try it, blow the air compressor, and see how much crap it will fluid away. Just quick cleaning, you saw how much crap it did fluid away. Also I did find it where that little piece come from, the broken piece. It's actually right here, supposed to be have like a plastic washer to hold a screw. It's busted. Luckily I do have one piece. Another piece, probably it may fluid away, or it may stuck under those metal shielding. After when I remove it, if I found it, I will glue it. If not, I will cut it piece of plastic and probably modify it and make it work. Okay guys, I did take one step further. I removed it completely board from that metal shielding and from housing. And actually the board itself, let's see, it says channel Z. I'm not sure what they mean by that. Revision 1D.1 looks to me like. And let's see, let me take a quick look if there's a date. Well, I'm not seeing any date. The Kickstarter is a 3.0, most likely I have to go with a 3.1. It's less buggy, and on the back there's no corrosion. I'm kind of surprising. I mean, I told you I will see bunch stuff. That hard drive carrier, I thought it's gonna be just kind of, well, it just sits. It's easy to remove it. No corrosion at all on this side. It's got some little oxidation over here, but nothing major. Also, I look at all capacitors, because like I said, machine look like it has a lot of mileage, but also I didn't see it. I mean, it's got some corrosion across that metal RF shielding. Then also on a RGB connector, there's a one pin slightly has discoloration, like a green oxidation start build up. Those AV ports, I mean the audio ports, it feels nice and strong. Well, all around looks pretty good. Actually, I was kind of expecting to see much worse, especially when I just open it. I see so much haze. I mean, it looked like probably previous owner, a farmer or so. Even I did blow it, but you guys still see it. I will have to clean it. Well, otherwise, like I said, I'm quite happy with purchase. For $275, it's probably a good deal. I mean, on those Amigas A1200s, the prices that are going up, I mean, for example, 10 years ago, I mean, according to some people saying they pick it up like less than $100 or so. I'm not sure if that's true, but these days it's kind of difficult to find it in a good shape under 250 or $300. I got for $275 with expansion slot card. That's probably considered as a good deal. Well guys, I hope this video was helpful, enjoyable. If you did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you.